Good morning, dear students. Last class we discussed up to 30 problems in the matrices and determinants concepts. Now we are going to discuss question number 31. One square matrix they given. They are asking whether it is idempotent or nilpotent or involuntary or orthogonal. So idempotent means A transpose equal to identity. Nilpotent means what is the least value of M means A for M equal to null matrix. Involuntary means A square equal to identity. So idempotent A square equal to A. Orthogonal means A transpose A equal to identity. So these are the conditions we are going to proceed. Now we calculate first option whether it is idempotent or not. So idempotent A square we have to calculate. See A square 2 minus 2 minus 4 minus 1 3 1 minus 2 minus 3 into 2 minus 2 minus 4 minus 1 3 4 1 minus 2 minus 3. So this matrix nothing by A square means A into A we are calculating. First row into first column. See here 2 into 2 4 minus plus 2 means minus 4. See here 4 plus 2, then here what we got minus 4 nothing but it is 2. Next, so first row second column minus 4 minus 6 minus 10 minus 10 plus 12 means minus 2. Second row third column minus 6 minus 8 minus 14 plus 12, so plus 12, so minus 14, see minus 8 minus 8 minus 8 means minus 16 plus 12 means it will be minus 4. So clearly minus 1 3 4 1 minus 2 minus 3. So again what we got A only. So A square equal to A if we got means it is an idempotent matrix. So you have to answer right. So first itself we got answer. Suppose in case A square is not equal to A means we have to go through for second option, or we have to go through for third option, then fourth option like that. So fourth option observe whether it is orthogonal or not, sum of the squares of any row elements. See here sum of the squares 4 plus 4 plus 16, so which is not equal to 1. So if it is 1 means clearly orthogonal. So that is the one indication whether one matrix is orthogonal or not. So first option is the answer. Next. (32) If A equal to one square matrix, that is A C B, B A C, C B A, then the cofactors are A12, 3 2. So cofactors of A32 in A plus A transpose. So options you observe. First option is minus of 2A B plus C minus b plus c whole square. Second option ac minus b square. Third option a square minus bc. Fourth option 2a into a plus c minus a plus c whole square. So which one is correct option we have to guess. What they are asking? Cofactors of A32 in A plus A transpose. A plus A transpose A32 coefficient. See here. So A32 in A plus A transpose. How to calculate A plus A transpose? We'll see first. So this is A, C, B, B, A, C, C, B, A plus A transpose. So first row become first column. A, C, B, B, A, C, C, B, A. A32 cofactor in the A plus A transpose. So A plus A transpose, just we'll see. A plus A transpose, this is 2A. C plus B or B plus C, B C, again B plus C, B plus C, 2A, B plus C, B plus C, B C. This is A plus A transpose. What they are asking question? Cofactor of the element A32 means third row second column. So third row second column 3 plus 2 nothing but 5. Odd number means minus we have to calculate. See, A32 means minus of 32 means third row second column. Third row second column means this element cofactor. See, 2a into b plus c, 2a into b plus c minus b plus c into b plus c, that is b plus c whole square. See the four options. A32 cofactor is clearly first option will come. So this is the way of calculating cofactor of an element in the matrix A plus A transpose. Next, (33). The value of the determinant 2 plus I, 2 minus I, 1 plus I, 1 minus I. So is first option, it is a complex number. Second option, it is a real number. Third option 0. Fourth option cannot be determined. Cannot be determined. So which one is correct option? So just multiplication. 2 plus I into 1 minus I minus product of these two elements 1 plus I into 2 minus I. So very clear, 2 minus 2I plus I minus I square nothing but plus 1 minus 1 into 2 minus I plus 2I, it will be plus I, minus I square means plus 1. So 2 minus 2 cancel, plus 1 minus 1 cancel, minus I nothing but minus 2I. So minus 2I nothing but it is a purely imaginary part. So very clear, it can be written as 0 plus I into minus 2. So this number clearly belongs to a complex number. Complex number means we have to give the first option. Next. Then question number 34. Determinant of 18, 40, 89, 40, 49, sorry, 89, 198, 89, 198, 440. So options, if we observe, first option minus 8, minus 6, minus 1, 0, which is the correct option we have to calculate. So directly you can expand any row or any column like that, or any some operations you can apply. Operations. So how to apply? So because numbers are big means we will apply operations. See, C3 changes to C3 minus 2 into C2. Then how to write? No changes in first two columns, 18, 40, 89, 40, 89, 198. 89 minus 2 into 40 means 80 means 89 minus 80, that is 9. So 198 minus 2 times of 89. So 2 times of 89 means how much it will come? 198 minus twice. So 2 nines are 18. So it is 190, 160 plus 27, 187. So how much it will be? 9, 10, 198 minus twice this value. So 160 plus 18. This is 178. Nothing but 20. So it is 20. Next, 440 2 times. So 440 minus twice this one means 2 8s are 16, 2 9s are 18, plus 1 means 19. So 2 1s are 2, plus 1 means 3. So it is 4 means 44 will come. So it will be 44. Next, here 9 18, 20 40, 44 89. Again you observe, C1 changes to C1 minus 2 times of C3. So what will get? See here. C1 changes minus C here. C1 minus 2 into C3. So 18 minus 18, 0. 40 minus 2 into 20, 0. 89 minus 88 means 1. No changes remaining 2 rows means 40, 89, 198, 9, 20, 44. You remember, in any determinant, Suppose two elements are 0 0 means you can expand along the third row, means this one. You delete this column and this row. See, plus minus plus. So plus 1 into 4 into 20 means 80 minus 800 minus 89 into 9 means 9 9s are 81. So 72 80. So 800 minus 81 means minus 1 is the answer. So this is the correct option. So like that we have to simplify these type of questions. Or you can expand directly also. It will be lengthy only. So first we have to simplify like this. Then we can expand with simple answer will come. Next. Question 35. Determinant of b square plus c square, a square, b square, c square plus a square, b square, c square, c square. It is a square plus b square equal to, they are asking this determinant. 4 options you observe. First option, a square, b square, c square. Second option, 4 into a, b, c. Third option, 4 a square, b square, c square. Fourth option, 2 a square, b square, c square. So which one is correct option means you can simplify directly or by expanding any row or any column, no problem. So one shortcut way you observe. What is the shortcut way I will tell you. Suppose a equal to b equal to c if I take. A equal to b equal to c. So finally what you get here you observe. Means b value a, c value also a. If we take this is a square plus a square means 2a square. This is a square. This is a square. This is a square. 2a square. A square. A square. A square. 2a square. You observe. From the first row a square, second row a square, third row a square. So a square common from row 1, a square common from row 1, a square common from this is row 2, row 3. Then what we got here, what we left here 2, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 2. So clearly this is a to the power 6. Then this one you observe. If you expand this one, what will get? 2 into 4 minus 1, nothing but 3. Minus 1 into 2 minus 1, it will be 1. Plus 1 into, you observe. If you close this column and this row, so 1 minus 2, it will be minus 1. So finally, a to the power 6 into, this is 6, minus 2, so it will be 4 into a power 6. So this value a power 4 into a to the power 6. Among the 4 options, where you will get 4 into a power 6 if we substitute a equal to b equal to c. See here. A, B, C equal to all are equal means what we get? This is a power 6, but we require 4 into a power 6. So this is wrong option. Here A, B, C nothing but 4a square will come. A cube. But we got a power 6, so you can delete this option also. 4 into a a square, how much will get? 4 into a to the power 6. Maybe this is the answer. If you observe here, 2 into a to the power 6, this is wrong option. So, which one is correct means third option we have to give the answer. So, like that we have to simplify this type of questions. Next question, 36. The given or determinant equal to this type of one biquadratic polynomial they given. P into lambda power 4 plus q lambda q plus r lambda square plus s lambda plus t. They are asking t value. So you observe here lambda is there, lambda, t free from lambda. So t is free from lambda means, suppose if I substitute lambda equal to 0, then what we get? See here. Lambda 0 means this is 0, minus 1, 3, 1, 2, minus 4, this is minus 3, 4, 0 equal to t. So if you expand this determinant, we will get t value. So 0 into something 0. So how to expand C? Plus, minus, plus. So 0 into something means 0, minus of minus, plus 1. If you close this column and this row, 0. Minus 3 into minus 4, 12. Plus 3 into, if you close this column and this row, this is 4, minus 3 into 2, minus 6. So finally, what we got? Minus 12. So this is 10 plus 10 into 3, it will be 30. So it is plus 18. So plus 18 means third option we can give. Like that we have to answer. Next question. If ABC are in AB, A, B, C are in AB, then what they are asking question? Then the determinant of x plus 1, x plus 2, x plus 3, x plus 2, x plus 3, x plus 4, x plus A, x plus B, x plus C equal to, they are asking question. So options, this is 1, 0, minus 1, so it will be 2. So ABC actually listen here, we can expand this determinant. ABC are in AP means, so just I am taking A equal to 1, B equal to 2, C equal to 3. 1, 2, 3 are in AP. So clearly ABC also in AP. So if I substitute here x plus 1, x plus 2, x plus 3. So these two columns become identical. So in any determinant, two rows or two columns are identical, then the value of the determinant is always 0. So what is the answer here? It will be second option. Next. Then 38. If a is not equal to 6, b comma c satisfying the equation. See what is the equation? Determinant of a, 2b, 2c, then 3b, c, 4a, b equal to 0. Then the value of a, b, c they are asking question. Then the value of a, b, c. Just we'll expand this one. So what will get expansion? So a into c plus minus plus means expanding along first row. So a will this close, this row column close. So b square minus ac minus 2b into, if you close this column, this row, that is 3b minus 4c plus 2c into 3a minus 4b equal to 0. So from this, a into b square, that is ab square minus a square c minus 6b square plus 8bc plus 6ac minus 8bc equal to 0. So from this you observe plus 8bc minus 8bc cancel. So finally ab square then here b square. See from these two what I am taking, b square common, then a minus 6, next step. From these two you observe, from these two ac if I take common minus ac if I take common. So finally what will get, minus ac common means here a minus 6 equal to 0. So from this a minus 6 into b square minus ac equal to 0. So either a equal to 6 or b square equal to ac. So b square equal to ac. So finally what will get? So from this a equal to, a is not equal to 6. So a is not equal to 6 means b square must be ac. So b square must be ac means they are asking question abc value. So what are the options we'll see? So options, first option is a plus b plus c, second option is 0, third option is BQ, fourth option is AB plus B minus C. You observe they are asking A, B, C value, they are asking question. So B square equal to AC. So B square equal to AC multiplying both sides, B cube equal to ABC. So ABC value how much here? B cube. So answer will be B cube. Next. Determinant of log e square log e cube log of e square e cube e power 4 log of e cube log of e power 4, log of e power 5. They are asking this determinant, so options also I will write. What are the options here? First option 0, second option 1, third option 4 into log e, fourth option 5 into log e. So in formula logarithmic property, suppose log of a to the power m is there, we can write m into log e. At the same time, log e to the base is there 1. You observe here nothing is there, log e to the base e. So this determinant is 1. Log of a power m means 2 into log e base e 1. This is 3. This is 2. 3, 4, 3, 4, 5. This determinant they are asking question. So you can expand this one. So how to expand this one? Plus, minus, plus. So 1 into, this is 15, minus 16. Minus 2 into, you close this column and this row. So this is 10, minus 12. Then plus 3 into, if you close this column and this row, this is 8, minus 9. So finally, minus 1. This is 10 minus 2 means minus 2 into minus 2, it will be 4. This is 8 minus 1 means 9. 8 minus 9 means minus 1, so minus 3. So it is always 0. So what is this determinant value? It will be 0. So like that we have to answer. Next question. Question number 14. If the determinant equal to 0, then what is the value of x? 4 options, x values like that they given. So if you observe here, complete second row elements m are there. So m we can take common, means a x 1 b x b equal to 0. One line identification. Anyhow, this determinant is 0. Any two rows or two columns identical, then the value of the determinant is 0. Suppose x equal to a if I substitute, what happens? See, x equal to a if I substitute, see. Suppose here a, here also a. So a, if I take common means 1 1 1 1 1 1, so determinant will be 0. So x equal to a, one possibility is there. Next, second option, x equal to b if I substitute. See here, x equal to b if I take, this is b, suppose this is b. Very clear, b. If I take b common means 1 1 1. Means these two rows becomes identical, determinant will be 0. So x equal to b also one possibility is there. X equal to b also one possibility. So third option a or b, no problem. 0. Suppose if I substitute 0, x value 0. See 0 a 0. B 0 b. No two rows or no two columns are identical, so this determinant cannot be 0. So exact answer is x value either a or b we can consider. Next. Question number 41. The value of the third order determinant is 11. See here. One square matrix is there. Suppose that is the element Aij of order 3 by 3. So the value of the determinant of A equal to 11. So this is third order determinant. Then what they are asking? Then the value of the determinant formed by the cofactors. So formed by the cofactors means nothing but determinant of adjoint of A they are asking. So adjoint of A only, it is a matrix formed by the cofactors of elements of capital A. So cofactors of elements of capital A nothing but adjoint of A. So from this determinant of adjoint of A we have to calculate. What is the formula? Det A whole power n minus 1. N nothing but 3. So this is nothing but determinants of 3 minus 1 means 2. So determinant of A nothing but 11. 11 into 11. So nothing but 121. So options like this. First option 11. Second option 121. Third option that is 1331. Fourth option 14641. So then they are asking square of the determinant of the cofactor. Square. They are asking square of the determinant of this is square. This is also square. So 121 whole square nothing but 40,461. Answer it will come. Next 42. See here. If a matrix capital A is circulant matrix whose elements of first row are ABC, all are positive, such that ABC equal to 1 and A transpose A equal to identity, then what is AQ plus BQ plus CQ? They are asking question. See, ABA one circulant matrix whose elements C, circulant means A, B, C, B, C, A, C, A, B. This is the circulant matrix. Okay. If matrix A is circulant matrix whose elements of first row are A, B, C, first row they given, then what is second row? After A, B, after B, C, B, after B, C, C, A, C, A, B. So these are the supplements. Next, again what they are asking, A, B, C equal to 1. A, B, C equal to 1. And again what they are asking, A transpose equal to A transpose equal to identity. Means it is a orthogonal square matrix. Then they are asking question, what is AQ plus BQ plus CQ? They are asking question. Options also I will write 0, 4, 1, 3, 0, 4, 1, 3, 0, 4, 1, 3. Which one is correct one we have to guess. Whatever it may be, just I am taking this one. Orthogonal matrix. A transpose equal to identity. So just I am taking determinant A transpose equal to determinant of identity. So determinant of A into determinant of A transpose, identity matrix determinant 1. So determinant of A transpose, determinant of A both are same. This is 1. So det A equal to plus or minus 1. So det A means, you observe, what is the determinant of A? A, B, C, B, C, A, C, A, B equal to plus or minus 1 we got. See here. So you know circulant determinant means 3A, B, C minus AQ minus BQ minus EQ. If you want to expand, what will get this one only? So from this 3A, B, C minus AQ plus BQ, you send that side. So what will get? Plus or minus 1 equal to AQ plus BQ plus CQ. Suppose if I take positive sign, what will be? ABC value 1, see, ABC value 1, here plus 1 if I take, so what is the answer here? 3 minus 1, so that is AQ plus BQ plus CQ. So means 2 answer here, 2 is not there. Suppose negative sign if I take, negative sign 3 ABC value 1, minus of minus 1 plus, so 3 plus 1 4, so that is AQ plus BQ plus CQ. So what is AQ plus BQ plus CQ? Nothing but 4 is the answer. Then 42 to second option. Next 44 we'll see. 44. So question, what they are asking, we'll see once. In third order determinant, see here. In third order determinant, each element of first, if each element of first column consists of sum of the two terms. Sum of the two terms means, suppose here A1, B1, A2, B2, A3, B3, right? Each element of second row, each element of second column consists of sum of the three terms. Okay, C1, D1, E1, C2, D2, E2, C3, D3, E3, right? And each element of the third column consists of four terms. F1, G1, H1, I1. F2, G2, H2, I2. Then F3, G3, H3, I3. Then what are asking question? Then it can be decomposed into n determinants in the value of n. So value of n they are asking question. So you observe this determinant decomposed into determinants, n determinants. Then what is the determinant? See, first option 1, second option 9, third option 16, fourth option that is 24. Just I will give one simple example. Suppose here A plus B X, C plus D Y, E plus F Z. See here. One determinant is like this. First column contains sum of the two determinants, sum of the two elements, sum of the two terms. We can decompose these determinants into two determinants. How we determine? How we split A, X, C, Y plus B, X, D, Y. So we can split into sum of the two determinants. Like that, sum of the two terms are there, sum of the two determinants. Sum of the three terms are there, sum of the three determinants. Sum of the four terms are there, sum of the four determinants. Like that. How many determinants can be split in? Like this. See, first column contains sum of the two terms means we can split into two determinants. Second column contains sum of the three determinants means we can decompose into three determinants. Third column contains sum of the four terms means we can decompose into four determinants. So according to fundamental principle of counting, permutations and combination. So required number of means we can split into this determinant into n determinants. So n means 6, 24 determinants can be decomposed. So like that. You remember one formula. Suppose a row expressed as sum of the m terms. Second row expressed as sum of the n terms. Third row can be expressed as sum of the 3 terms. Then the number of determinants is decomposed into m into n into p determinants we can decompose. So like this, any row or any column is there, we can decompose like this, 2 into 3 into 4. So 24 determinants we can decompose.